excellence isn't just about reaching the top. It's about pushing yourself to be the best version of yourself in every aspect of your life. It's about setting the bar high, and not just for what you achieve, but for who